today we installed the IRL V2 Axle-Back with the titanium tips with the burnt blue finish. So it's got the IRL logo just right here. It's on all four tips. These used to be black along with the factory, but if you look down here, there's no longer the boxy OEM look. It's just the new Axle-Back. So we're gonna do a cold start on this and see how that sounds. All right, so I got my key. We're gonna do a remote start to see what it sounds like. 3 presses. Alright guys, we had just got the IRL V2 Axle-Back installed, so the car's not warmed up, so we'll have to do some more sound tests later, but I'm just gonna do the initial drive and see how it goes. It looks super good with the stainless steel, so give it a little whirl. I can tell like a tiny bit of the difference so far, not too much yet. Once again, this isn't fully warmed up. I also still have the active sound design turned on. I need to turn that off in camera code and see how that goes. Very deep. It's definitely different. You know, with valves closed, it's quiet, so that stuff is nice. I'll get more clips later. Had a better time with ASD off as well. What's up guys? We are starting our first drive with ASD off. So the active sound design, which is the fake noise that BMW pumps into these M cars, it's gone. I coded it off with camera code, and I have not driven this thing yet without the sound off, so we'll see what that sounds like. Normally I think when I'm in the Sport Plus engine modes, it just blasts all that fake engine noise, and we shouldn't be needing that. So right now I'm in all closed, valves off, I think. Yeah, the car sounds a bit louder in the cabin with the IRL V2 Axle-Back. I will say, unfortunately, it is a bit louder in the cabin, but it should sound a lot better on the outside too. And then I'm hoping that once we're on the highway, when the car's a bit more warmed up, we can start hearing the real engine noises. Yeah, so I have the AA 400 cell Catted Downpipes, the IRL Single Midpipe, and now the IRL V2 Axle-Back. I think for my next set of mods, I'm definitely thinking about getting the yellow DRLs. I think they look super nice with the BMWs. The laser lights, they come in, I think, usually white with the LED color. I don't think they're as good as the yellow ones. The yellow ones just really pop. They make the car look so good when you're parked with the parking lights on. Great for photos. And then I'm thinking about getting intakes, but it's like I'm still unsure because I'm not tuned right now, and I feel like the return on interest with the intakes is pretty low without a tune. Because usually, if you want more power in a car like this, and with the S58 engine, you just need a downpipe and a tune. I have the downpipes, and I don't think I'm going to tune my car for a while. This car is fast enough with 503 horsepower stock. Alright guys, this is Lake Washington right here. It's absolutely beautiful for once in a winter in Seattle. It is cold as hell though. I should have brought gloves, but that's okay.
He has no wheel hole.
Just too good. Yeah, it looks nice and all, but this is like 35-degree weather in Seattle, which is normal for winter, but one of the only sunny Sundays that we got for this car meet. Right. We're just gonna go walk over and see what's pulling into the meet.
I've never been one to chase power.
Where the Supras at?
Right next to it.
Oh, I mean that's the.
Hey, it's a make car, bro.
Wait, right lane. Is this Skyline? Yeah, it's a GT.
My people.
Yeah, it's a Skyline. think I get that this thing right here. It's an interesting choice of color here, though. This is an Emira. I think it's a Lotus Emira, but I could be wrong.
It's a nice car. I'd just be told.
Oh shit, this is Honda 2K? Classic.
2K.
See here, another Mark IV Supra. I feel like you don't really see many Mark IVs around. Classic. Classic JDM right here.
Is that Supra?
It's a Mark IV Supra, yes.
This is a double parking you talking about?
It's a classic cars here. Like all these Beamers coming in. I think still early, it's still pre-10, so a lot of cars actually aren't here, even here yet, like all the nicer ones. All the crazy ones are going to come in way later. Super body kit here. Ooh, Miata. I love Miatas.
Dude, I love my stuff. It looks like they're smiling.
Actually, it looks different. It looks like a different guy. 911 V2 That's just clean. That's just so clean right here.
Yeah, you're really funny, Zach.
Never mind. This is a GC4. Actually, I didn't realize this was an M440. This rap's kind of crazy.
Oh yeah, if you're riding or doing anything in the car, you need a helmet. I have one. So you have one? Does Danny have a helmet? I have a motorcycle stuff. And they're all like very different things. The only difference between a motorcycle helmet and a helmet is the hump on the back. You cannot sit comfortably in a car. So if I'm not driving, I don't really care.
Facts.
You want one too?
I have some. Excuse me, guys.
Bro, your dad's like 1967.
That's mine.
I don't think they're gonna actually let you do that. It has to be still active. But I
I just got 2 killers around my neck.